Hi, welcome to SPS Unpacked. Today we're unpacking the WillowWood Metacore foot. The Metacore is PDAC verified and the code is L5981. This foot provides natural rollover and greater support in late stance for K3 and K4 users. The enhanced Meta unibody plate design provides over 95% energy return and increased foot flexibility. The max weight is 365 pounds. Inside the box, you will find a user manual, a sock, and the Metacore. Like all Meta feet, it has an ultra-low build height of 4.13 inches, which allows the foot to accommodate a variety of limb lengths. The Metacore is also lightweight at 1.23 pounds. Sizes range from 22 to 30 centimeters, and the heel height for all sizes is 3/8 of an inch. The split-toe foot shells are sold separately and come in 3 colors: buff, tan, and medium brown. All feet in the Meta line have a unibody design, meaning the heel and keel are made from a single piece of carbon fiber with no wraps or connecting hardware. All Meta feet come with a split keel and sandal toe. They're also waterproof and corrosive resistant, so patients can enjoy pool and beach activities with minimum worry. Metacore combines maximal energy return with a minimum build height to deliver flexibility and a smooth rollover. For more information about the Metacore, visit spsco.com. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.